Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria, and I hope you guys enjoy this smoky eye, red lip, holiday, Thanksgiving makeup tutorial that I just created. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going in with this Baby Skin by Maybelline to prime my face, and I'm gonna take about that much. This is kind of like a silicone type stuff that's supposed to fill in your pores. And next I'm going to take Maybelline primer for redness control. And I'm taking about that much. And I'm going to focus this on where I'm most red. Choose my cheeks, my chin, my forehead. And now for foundation, I'm going to take this BB cream by CoverGirl. Shake it up a little bit. And just put this all over the face. Now I'm going to use this Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. Mine's kind of used. And I'm just going to pounce this into my skin. And now for some concealer. I'm taking this Maybelline Better Skin SuperStay Better Skin Concealer, and I'm just going to get the pinpoints of my face underneath my eyes. Between my brows, my nose, and Cupid's bow and chin. And I also like to take what's ever left over on the sponge of the concealer and just prime my eyelids. Because I don't use a separate product for that. I just use concealer and then go in and set it with powder. Next, I'm going to powder my face. I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder in Translucent. And I'm just going to take the same sponge I've been using. And first I'm just going to go underneath my eyes so that we don't get any creasing. And set the concealer from on the eyelids. And now I'm going to do the rest of the face. And now I'm going to go in with this E.L.F. brow kit in medium and do my brows. Okay, now the brows are done. Now I'm going to go in with eyeshadow. And I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette by Loreal called La Palette Nude 1. Now these shadows have no names on them, so I'm just going to point out which ones I'm using. Now I have more of a hooded eye, so I'm going to do my eyeshadow a little bit differently than what you would do on any eye. Okay, I'm going to go in with this chocolate brown right here. And I'm going to create my crease. I'm not going to go in my crease. I'm going to create a different crease. So I'm just going to go above the crease that I have. So I'm going to go right here. See my crease is right here. I have a crease right here, and I'm going right here. Crease is right here, and I'm going right above it. Now same thing on the other side. Just go above. If you're creating a new crease, like I am, I'm going to go just right above it. So that when I close my eye, it looks like my eyeshadow isn't hidden. And I'm gonna go right to the front of my brow. See? I know it's hard to see because this video is not the best quality, but I think you can see a little bit. And now I'm going to go in with the dark chocolate brown right next to it. And now I'm just going to deepen up that crease. And go in my other V. And I'm gonna go in this champagne color right here and put that on my lid. Now I'm gonna go back in with that chocolate brown and just deepen up my outer V a little bit. And now I'm gonna take those same colors and do my bottom lash line. Okay, now that the eyeshadow is all done, I'm gonna go in with liner. I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Forever liner, and it's in whatever black. Now I'm going in with this Great Lash by Maybelline mascara, and I'm going to cut my lashes. Now I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild contour palette and bronze up my face. And just pinch the brush and do the nose. Now I'm going to go in with Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. And highlight my face. I love this stuff, it's so good. And keep it. Now time for lipstick. Now what am I going to use?